Oh, na mo kase moti Abronye nka ache. Oh, na ma shada na me te na me hwe nneema bi. Abuzia finally Abronye abekasa. Concerning the issue of LGBTQ plus bill na yentimi nsan ye no NDC government entimi nsan ye no. Oh, I said ko wuro school say ye mofra no nko sua ho ade school mo no. Abronye abeke kana adwene. Enye ono nko a. One Bonohene. And some of the TikTokers are now from Pomunya Edmund Intima. Omo abe blasted. Nanya Sandra Kuma blasted flagana so funny in fact, I saw funny there. Oma blasted on pay ye. I Penyah broke media. Best was any demo. Obe like video no drama. Put subscribe button. Subscribe click verification icon. Latest updates. Now better why behind the mama. Ever comment section so baswa. No share first any biashe. So I don't know the issue of LGBTQ. Mama went to Chirimu. It didn't come a buy 2015. Abana endis tia kunya so Sam George e kan ye. Mama video kono kohwe ma chechim na da men sam from tons e wo hanom because Sam George edin kan bogu ye ka say Ghana no ehun hia say be sign ehun hia kwa say be discuss oman ne wo mra emra say obi a otumi say oye de ope etino ye nya ho asem ka but ono no ba ye de omu ko tena fie kufa de bu ne man na Sam George e de be sense obi kom so obi nkosa but enye no so na ye kan hanom video no ho bi do ahwe e wo me channel no so now you say abe ehun asem be de bi Ghana hanom any vacancy umbe sign Emma that time na obo position na Ghana so for nyina di omachi support NDC Emma be ka kwa na Akufo-Addo e ba say NDC vacancy o ma sign o parliament approve bill no akase Akufo-Addo be sign na e ba say Akufo-Addo ensign ye no Reverend Lawrence Tete so Penyah e ka say no ankasa be ko Jubilee House no akọ face Akufo-Addo no Akufo-Addo ko chima de ntia on be so be sign bill no because Ghana ye mpese obi ambese obi mu bi adi nutum ti adan Akufo-Addo bese obe sign bra no but it was interesting say no obi a won agenda obi a won parochial interest obi a won selfish interest they no obi ye bia no obi a won interest e ba ye so Penyah ni ya want appointment sale of lands committee or kan ho bi why di on kan wasem bi Sam George no they call Ghana Parliament no. Eye hu dede no. Sam George enkan wasem bi. He has gone shush. Sam George is not talking about LGBTQ plus again. I know the only thing kasa ho because 2015 na NDC tia kunya so Ghana for year say ye ntwa tumutum mu no. Sam George ebo Ghana for nsem go ka say there be Ghana constitution no e mo bia right. It gives everybody a right to do whatever that the person wants. It you know. Because Sam George na just bigeke. He just wanted to find ways and means to sabotage the LPP government. And he did that with ease. It's not a what I say. Now, Ghana so for Honomo Omun Cancer. Ghana so for Honomo Omun can LGBTQ plus who wants him be. Umaja wants him can gain, Umaja wants him can wants him be. I was an ancient ya smuggle Eda Kura curriculum Musa and Kranunko Sian school. 205 teachers mother the bus teacher from fan trial school mono. The question say LGBTQ HMB gender hormone na LGBTQ HMB as ya monfo believe say you promoting the school mo na eno ana Abronye Bonohene ene Nana Frimpong Manson on TikTok and some of the other TikTokers awe wo madwen pa actually Ghana so for Sam George and Mahama
Honorable Sam George my boy din miensa during campaign time ugine mu demonstration for anti-LGBTQ ho. Sam George ugine mu demonstration for anti-LGBTQ ho. The ding say ompeni nanado so gay so. Mo buy mo first year mo MPs endorse parliament. Mo ntimi aka ho asem. Mo second year so mo da kwahye mu say ya fan check kola na school say say ya wo akola na ntimi njintum say sorry na maame na papa ntimi njintum say oyoba na bema e hospital honom. Bibia ya wo no ne maame na papa ntimi njintum say oyoba na bema. Na ewo se akola na anyi a na ono agya tum se oyoba ana oyebema akola na anyi na ono agya tum se oyoba ana oyebema munda kwahye kola num e kai kolom se fan show e fan yan show mo school ye kan mo se fake answer na NACCA e baaye NACCA no National Council for Curriculum Assessment na se aban do curriculum ne ba se ye fan check kola na de we ne check kola na no na se assess amono beka ase daabi ehyem mo se ade enche kola ne ni na ye soso Sam George wo he Sam George ayarega mo wo he fa ma mo gine mu se anti LGBTQ nanado ne soso no enne a Ghana for atu abamamo a parliament mo doso honom am betimi sakonya we a pass sa anti LGBTQ a bill no a pass ama be mra na obi o ye gay obi o lesbian no emra ne bi no enne de mom se yenkyere kwala ne se ye wakola ontimi ka so ye bema ontimi ka so e oba ye fine e bedru ha e fa ne ye nam IPO hasi Mahama meka se Ghana for antoba mamo ese mrambe yi Ghana for mamo MPs sibebe sim fa bewi MPs ne de mam no se mo ye ho adwuma mbuse wo kire kwala nturum adan bone be na kwala na yamo bone be na kwala na yamo ankwala mo seches ye ko kire mo se sisi ade de ye wakwala ono atimi kire ono anyi no ono akire se yo ba na bema Trump crabbies had no between US Trump etwemu US na Ghana na ne de ye be soso besa ba bi
Much manu ano at the all schools at the back door of the Christian Council, at the back door of the Catholic bishops of Ghana. At manu ano na Reverend Tim Ford what the alarm no by ya. I feel na mobile catcher ye Ghana for say. Mo take steps to withdraw the printed manual from the system. Why not the quarto system? Why not the quarto system no? Enyamwa. Enya National Council for Curriculum Assessment. An assessment, mona mo de kwato ho. A Reverend Tim Ford one de kwato ho. Why na printing manuals no? Manual na e wom say. Bema no bema timida. Manual na e wom say. Oba no oba timi ye sope no. The first question Christian Council to ask the National Council for Curriculum and Assessment say, in the first place, why not printing manual no? A man equal system no. A National Council and the government, National Council for Curriculum and Assessment, and the government of Ghana, and a printing a Ministry of Education, and a printing manual no, at the Kwabonte. Now, so read me as well said the Christian Council would take time and read the NACA statement of the Babonting and Nora. 13 January 2026. And the release doesn't make sense in the first place. Yeah, can say, one day, Manua Bia Babonting. Yeah, catch them with some of the Manua Bia Babonting. Yeah. Chira kwana e mane ma be faswada mo de manu abia ba bonten chira kwana me mane be faswa yere ada ana mo de release yaba ana mo kase ni edikan mi ready or say it is essential to clarify that the National Curriculum and Teacher Support Materials serve distinct functions. The curriculum is the official policy document defining the mandatory areas of study for learners. In contrast, teacher manuals are supplementary instructional resources designed to provide
na mebisa se ya wa asofofo okrom ha ya wa imam fo amotiam Allah wa akobado ya omo okrom ha na ajina sa Duncan Williams nom ane akoy otiam tiame ya fransen oduro sofo oduro nom omo okrom ha
Wey.
and omo WhatsApp platform no so
Wey boy.
Duncan Williams mibuno ajina sare mibuno sofo oduro mibuno
Shenia kasa
abai WhatsApp platform no omo so a omo set agenda no omo WhatsApp platform no so bia na anandi se abamba omo free ha omo so no omo yi free Ghana ko Nigeria
o kan wie no so won tia ase de ayi wono headache
abodam sam we ya e course wo schools ahodo mu no asofofo no mate imam fo no mate
say ya hote ba na bi ni
abodam sam e course wo schools mu no mate ana
ana papa dia na o kan ko say
asomai Ghana na ena yetime create content yeka content a the encourage wo school mu near the LGBTQ plus afra say ya man ko tue turumu e wo school mu ya man ko supi wo school mu ne wa asofofo a so called pastors so called imams e wo kroma na wo bia ye no kom wo bia nkasa
omo de omo bon na ye kasa omo nte no
so kroma wo bia nkasa professors doctors omo ko school adura kire omo kroma wo bia nkasa ada njoma mo ye kakai handis ya ba no ye jata
wey boy
yen ka no kran trend this ya band say baabi a wode o man nam kakra baabi ode ye kono wode ye akoseye no osuni abrehom.
I think on this point he has misbehaved.
Ye wi chan ya de be na ka say na ka bo che se pam no me no minority ni nyadwen
Ne ka na da hodo.
Minister of Education yemlem no
Ne ka na da hodo.
yemlem mampan John Dramani Mahama
Ne ka na da hodo.
yemlem Sam George because and this ya ban ba ye na LGBTQ plus ya san dia ko man yimra so de fie pressure no mo de mama mpan na na do no o mo de ma John Dramani Mahama no wa asante and wo san a kade ekoso ye nkoso.
Oh, the whole bad, the whole brutal.
Charles dan so who your parent atie me dia na ban ne person ya ne say wo kwotire nkura no tie nkomo no sexual orientation e bia wonte ase ya wo akura no a so tuadua ana wo kotia mo fatame akwaba yen kan sama nipa beti ase yi yesi ya wo akura no na tuadua ana wo kotia emma akura no sabe ensa no nka so wo ye bema enti doctor ntimi nka nkyira akura ne se wo ye bema nurse ni a woje akura na wo no wontimi nka nkyira akura ne se wo ye bema na wo ye oba wo nofo e wo maade ni bia wontimi nka
wow
ayasa akura nyini no no a kire se me de mikitadua akura me ye oba
ye kan we aso be reset o man
mikita oba de akura me ye bema
ye kan we aso be
ajimi sam ne abodam sem wo efiri
wey
ajimi sam ne abodam sem wo efiri
omo de omo bon na ye kasa omo nte
no obi wo Japan akura wo ko school wo Japan wo akura no wo senior high school wo Japan no high school no wo sua sine mobile phone.
Hey, President Mahama.
Toothpick e kura ntimi nya wo Ghana common toothpick what did you hear kick out sim ni yi kura no ye ntimi nya wo Ghana na wo de fa bibi bra na wo masu ntimi ntumpon MPP abanta kunya so what the STEM education by
I ask you to be citizens.
and grant to yellow print kete na etu aba wo de oba so turumu ani supi na de be ko school mu eye content one manual one teachers for manual
Adwin kese so da ya adwin keto antiase.
teachers manual no anu no mo de lesson notes
Adwin kese so da ya
obi o cha de bia ni enti de ade ama no anu ogina so no de aye lesson notes no aye ade na wo kwokire no preparation na waye de wo kwokire nkura no ene ye friend lesson notes no
107.3
asase pono no
enti once abane de aba ya hye teacher ni no wo kogina no ka kire ni say nya feelings ma onyonku be ma nya feelings ma onyonku ba nkwasia feelings be ni
wey boy ye kan we aso be reset o man
nkwasia feelings be ni
ye kan we aso be reset o man
na kafo de omo print kekewu aban no policy educational policy ni yeden
Eno na medwen ho a mentiase no.
because aban bia ba what the educational policy ba and aban yes our social contract with Ghanaians the mo friend manifesto no a wo pow education committee health committee no matter say committee ne better say no ma draft it and this aban bay education ye pese A ye pese B ye pese C so by extension and this committee na mo pow ye manifesto num education committee no mo dia mo plan ne say man ma meda wo Ghana me ma bena go Ghana enti Sam George waka na no atumi
ye kan we aso be reset o man
anya Sam George no wo kroma obi na no ka kire say LGBTQ plus say and this yabamba na say mampan John Dramani Mahama wantwem oba attack no
Ne ka na da hodo.
one ko Jubilee House no ko bu mampan Mahama.
I think on this point he has.
Tell Sam George
Even his foolishness is.
one sorry na wonya quota kase ne akatabensam no na one ko hwe mampan no ko attack no obi attack obi okobo no meboa
Oh,
one ko attack no Jubilee House one ko ba bia
oh, the whole bad, the whole brutal.
na omo wie ya omo say ya chi omo wie ya omo say ye ko review ye ko sesa ne de aba no de omo de ba ye no kra time
Even his foolishness is foolishness.
parents ni bi kra say ya turn textbooks e dey mo a textbooks no e kire be ma da ba ne ba da I'm not saying it ya ka obeka say propaganda nya propaganda o ehia me emfa ndisi ho emfa mpp ho how na do so minyi ni sa ne baba obawesi sa ne baba enware ba amfa ne mra fie ne enkoy ne ho ade education minister how na do so I don't want to believe sa ne baba ma abekọ kofa be ma ba no wade atum
me need time to waste.
Nzana ntia wo tra wo education minister na yes a content we na de schools mu san
open crofo a disappointed or mind way kese pa o mind Ghana kese a eye Ghana fo asofofo ebi mu omudi wo mu hu akowurawura politics mu enu nti omuntumi nka no kore e wo mu asore enam ba bia wodi ne ti akwa iti ontimi nka no kore every say onim so okoka no kora sebi ne tight bi apanini bi ba na asore ye woyi ma no ebebo no 20 min ka no kora ani ye te wona atro jimi de ye benyenti to omanyi kwenkoso nyina ne kase pa gina Ghana fo asofofo omayi wo mu ho animu MPP NDC mti enokora yesi ye kachira aban no ma aban ne timi sole se wo ye bibi dia boa wo man no ye ntumi nka he ma me ka asam kire mo sofofo na mo de mo wurawura politics ni na mafu ni de mu benya nti na mo free politician fo mo bu mu o mo nsam no mo ka no o mo nyini o ade mo nim se hwe ni mu sika na wode ma wo nyina no ni opeso wo kire ni gina wa asore dem wo ne ton me no mo nto aba ma me ne se wo wonu nsam no wo de adidie wanyini because wo wonim se tumi bi ani mu wonim se tumi bi ani mu omunim but wo ma osika se ye campaign man no wo gina ho a ton ne party ni no mu huru ne nkoso eno no ama ho sika ne se wo so wadi wudi na to ye katumi ade e frem tumi no wo bi yeni mo guase Ghana fo asofofo emu mpanimfo no mani mo guase ense buani mu ho bebrebe buani mu ho kani di bia na wotete no wote Archbishop Nicholas Adanka Williams din na hope wote ye papa Charles na sare din na hope wote ye papa din Reverend Sankwanchanka din na hope wote prophet Wusu Bempa din na hope. And why? Say your bow di kura na ni pay di matam adai all because of the motem ho akwa kwhyem na muntimi nka no kore enkyere o man no entumi nka no kore enkyere mpanimfo no sabi ade mu efa o mu nsase a o mu mamu bi di timuntimi nka no kore enam ne mo pɛ de mabɔ me bra akwa akoduru ene ba bi anyame di maduru no kamo ka no kore kan ho a ba mo selfish interest ne mafunti mugusu edidi wo machi amuntemi nka no kore na mo de mo ntra ho mo nsaduma no na mo nkyere yutu no kwanya ye fa so e bokoro no mo ne ye nti nenne asofofo nketwa no bebrebe mo ne ye ne musunti o mu na sua mo because what the brofo bo pa wono so de adwene so be ba po madam ase me se Ghana had o pesment papa awodin wom udisi dan ya eche madan na hodin attachment breni Mahama attachment usi dan no na abusment na akotore ye nye pe attachment na first we dan na dan be nya hodin. God bless you. Follow for more.
So the story of SHS Teachers Manual, a promoting LGBTI agenda, has been revealed by the Honorable Member for, I think, Nkwaseasɛm baby, the Honorable Reverend John Intim Fojo. Now, all these were normal, they are shema, we didn't know until say the Reverend Minister and MP on the ticket of the New Patriotic Party, they saw revelation better about and immediately we are told say NACA, the National Council for Curriculum and Assessment for our Teachers Manual no afidi or model for fraba. kyerɛ sɛ Ghana hanke te ha nanke ama kwan sɛ bi wo mema ne mema nda akoda wo pe ana aka sɛ me ye bema wo pa atumi ka sɛ wo ba. And one thing that surprises me in this whole narrative was the definition they gave to gender in the teacher's manual. As a teacher for mo hwɛ we so mo manual mo de kwatra de no mo hwɛ we so na fa kwatra the definition for gender said gender there it is not assigned by birth. And yet the wo nyankopon de ma wa sɛ bi wo de ne bema de ya bema wo ye ba, but what the person's deep feeling. And so it can be male, it can be female, or it can be another. And it is not to be related to your sex assigned by birth. What sort of impotence? And your party with a more position, more yes, so much noise about LGBTI. And you are the one woman where they said this is what gender means. And shamefully, after the more withdraws our book, shamefully, after that revelation, just thinking, Reverend Tim for your uncle ma and Kasadi when he chair in Kwada school. And John Mahama and the Harry Naidusu. They are teaching say gender no and let you pon the mouth, but the wow feeding now because say gender. Can you imagine? In a Ghanaian teaching manual book, I said for so no Musiana Mufanchen Kalana dear. And John Mahama. And this is the party that was making so much noise. This is the party that some judge populist politician. Time you're LGBT, and now you are in government. Advise your cabinet minister. Advise your president. Say on for bill and not on pass not on sign it, so that we can protect our human values and our cultural values. With that bishop say gender is not what is assigned by about how you feel. This is me control gender because if you listen me you dria you farmer me. If you listen me bisexual you farmer me. This is the real promoters of less LGBTI in Ghana. The real promoters are in power now. Even the almighty US of A, right, the administration of Trump abandoned some of these gender narratives. Also, your ba, your bema. And then most government institutions pass out to issue in Nano. This is a government that means business. Now, what the fashion now, you met you once and like I said, I withdraw. Into Ganchuan can withdraw. You knew near Mamma Dash and name my engine, Mr. MB before any other woman in Ghana, including a software, your mom for. Let's monitor things because we need the people near my session. And Reverend Tim for Joan Farm Bank, he names animal with a coso. I can't, and I got a force away now. That's him, you're ready, busy. To the wife, your mammy, I will comment session. I Penyah Block Media.